Here's a pair of the TOZO NC3 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an Amazon Fire TV via Bluetooth. So the first thing we got to do is put these earbuds into pairing mode, okay? So the buds are in the case. Let me go ahead and take these out. As soon as you take these out, you wait a few seconds, and if you're not connected or paired to a device near you, these should automatically go into pairing mode. You'll know that these are in pairing mode when one of these is just blinking white, okay? And it'll blink slowly and it'll be very, very dim, so you have to look around here, okay? Anyway, mine's not blinking whatsoever. That's because I'm currently connected to a different device. So it's actually paired to my Samsung Galaxy phone here. So let me turn the Bluetooth off of here, okay? So let me go to connections. I'm gonna go to Bluetooth, and it says one connected device. You can see the NC3 is connected right there. Let me turn off Bluetooth, and as soon as I turn that off, now these should go into pairing mode where I see one of the earbuds blinking white, and I see it right there. I'm not sure if you can see that on the camera, but just one of these is blinking white. As soon as I turn it, it disappears. So you see white, white, white. So just one of them is blinking white. It's what we want. It's in pairing mode. Now we're going to shoot over to the Amazon Fire TV, and we're going to go to settings. You want to go to that gear icon over there. You can press on the home button on your remote. Go to the home page, and then you want to keep moving over to the right to that gear icon. And then from there, we're going to go down, and we're going to go down to controllers and Bluetooth devices. Okay on the remote. From here, we're going to go down to other Bluetooth devices. Click right there. And then we're going to go down to add Bluetooth devices right there. Now it's currently searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me. And these are still in the pairing mode. I can see that blinking white on this earbud right there. That's weird. It's not working. Let me just go down to cancel. And then we're going to do it again. Add Bluetooth device. And now let's see if that does it. Oh, there you go. TOZO NC3 is the first time me connecting to this Amazon Fire TV as well. Pairing the device. And it says it is now connected. And you can see if I go up there, I'm connected because it says pre-selected disconnect. If I was down here in my JBLs, it says connect, okay? So we're currently connected. Now, if you had any kind of issue putting in a pairing mode or connecting, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look below in the link in the description area.